Namaste. Welcome to Sugar Salt and much more. Today we will see how to make authentic Goan style chicken caffriel. Let us see the ingredients. Few cilantro, some spinach, green chili, cinnamon, grated ginger, garlic and lemon, cloves, black pepper, few cumin seed, salt to taste. I have taken about 2 pounds of chicken and made cuts to them to penetrate the marination easily. Now we will add everything to blending jar except lemon and chicken to make a nice puree for the marination. Nice caffriel puree is ready. It is not too thick or thick. We will add it to the chicken. Don't mind cleaning the jar. We will use it later for the gravy. Squeeze some lemon over it and mix it really well. We are going to keep this marination aside for a couple of hours. You can also keep it overnight. Caffriel preparation originated from the Portuguese colonies and it was introduced into Goan cuisine during their rule. 2 hours have passed. I have added a tablespoon of oil to heat. Once it is heated, we will add cumin seeds and wait till they pop, and then add our chicken. During marination, we have added salt to the chicken, so we should keep that in mind while adding salt during our cooking. Now we are going to add some turmeric. If you like it hot, then you can also add some red chili powder. And stir it nicely. Remember, we have kept a blending jar aside after marination. We can use the remaining puree by adding water to make our gravy. Now we will cover it with the lid to let the chicken cook. After 15 minutes we will see if chicken has cooked properly or not. Otherwise we are going to cover it again for some more time. I think our chicken caffriel is ready. I can smell the aroma. It is looking so delicious. I cannot wait to taste. We will be adding some butter to get a glaze. Do let me know your thoughts on chicken caffriel in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel to learn more such recipes and share it with your friends. Don't forget to like my video.